In today's video, let's do another question of differentiation. We are given that y is 2x plus 1 into x minus 5 power 4. As you can see, this is not easy to expand this, so it's gonna take a long procedure, a long time as well. So we can use product rule here as well as we did in the previous video. So here I'm taking the first function as a u and the second one as v. So that gives us that u is equal to 2x plus 1 and our v is x minus 5 power 4. So then we will differentiate this. I'm differentiating u by x, du over dx. This will give us 2 plus 0, and then the other one dv over dx is going to be 4, and then x minus 5, 4 minus 1, it is going to be 3, and by the chain rule then derivative of this is going to be 1 minus 0, that is 1. So basically we have 4 into x minus 5 power 3. This is our dv over dx, right? Now we will use the product rule. As you know that the product rule is dy over dx equals to u, then dv over dx plus v into du over dx, right? So now we will substitute the values that we have already here. So this gives us then differentiation of y, u is here, which is 2x plus 1, and dv over dx is here, which is 4 into, we have x minus 5 power 3, then plus v is x minus 5 power 4 and 2. So these are the values that we have used from here. So now just the matter of simplification, so I can rewrite it here. So if I see we have this term and we have this term. As you can see, we can take out 2 common from here. When I take 2 common, and x minus 5 power 3. So what I will left here with, we will have here 2x plus 1, but and I have taken 2 out, so this is 4 here, that will be 2 inside, and then also this factor is gone out. So from the second, then plus we have x minus 5 power 4, 3 is gone out here, and we will have only 1 left here, and 2 is also gone out. So now we can just again rewrite this by further simplification, power 3. So when you expand this bracket, this is 4x plus 2 plus x minus 5. Okay, so this is 2 into x minus 5 power 3, then 4 plus 1, it's 5x minus 3. So this is our final answer.